Number one. Number one.
Just when you thought it was safe, we're back. I turn my back on you.
Pakandam na ako sa box. Kailangan jud, kailangan healthy ka kayo, kalingaw ka magsakit-sakit, brag. Di ka ka-practice na mabihind ka sa mga stepping niya. O dili po ka kadali ka catch up. Dugay po ka kakuha niya. Pagkauman kay as a group, ang uban pa jud kay dili mo tunog, unsay time. Dugay-dugay yun. Nya dili o unsay isulti, di pa jud mo tunog. Nya
You might as well put on your good outfit tonight. We feeling good. If you stiff, go ahead and put the pillow over your head.
Where I'm at, you will always know this if you keeping track. I won't ever trip, I'll give you the fact. There will never be any need to dispute.
Masasabi ko sa grupo namin ay masaya kami. Kahit pagod lang ako, sir, masaya kami. Tapos kahit lagi nung papagalitan, na meron naman ako natututunan ng dapat kailangan ibigay ang lahat pag sa practice. Kasi saan sabi ni Sir Bangkil, kung anong sinasayaw mo dun sa pag-practice nyo ba, ganun din mangyayari pag sasayaw na kayo sa game na talaga yung totoo. Kaya dapat ibigay mo ng todo pag sa practice para masanay na.
Mag-isa, sana may cute na makatabi. May bagong kaibigan tapos ng klase. Kumaway, huwag kalimutang ngumiti. Sigurado sa iyo na may babate. Hi! Lakas loob, hanapin ng katropa. Itaas ang kamay, let's do the first day high! Nasasabik sa unang araw ng eskwela. Taas kamay with confidence, let's do the first day high! Iba't iba ang hilig, magkakasundo sa trip. Kung gusto mong sumama, welcome to my first day high! First day high! First day high!
Adik sa'yo, awit sa akin, hilang sawa na sa aking mga kwentong marating.
I'm gonna kick my feet up and stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. Nah, I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my Snuggie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie.
Dougie, fresh like.
Congratulations to the winners. Thank you to Royce. And let's look at here to the winners and who also. Us dancing real close in a dark corner of a basement party. Every time I close my eyes, it's like everyone left but you and me. Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams like that.
Yes, I got my swagger back. Yes, I got my swagger back.
Right now
you gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. Running with this plan. Pull me, grab us in the bucket, can't have me. I'll be the president.